Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed 4th chapter. Now today in this video we will start the 5th chapter, expansion formula. You already learned in the previous classes some expansion formulas. See, first is a plus b bracket square. These are formulas also called as the binomial formulas because in each formula there are only two terms. Means two letters are used here. See, A and B. Generally we use A and B. So A plus B bracket square is equal to. This expression contains only two terms. So A is the first term, B is the second term. So is equal to first term square means A square plus multiplication of both term. A into B multiply by 2 means twice AB plus second term square means B square. Second formula, A minus B bracket square is equal to A square minus twice AB plus B square. Third formula, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square means first term square minus second term square. Very simple. So by using these formulas we fill the boxes they are given. Use the above formulas to fill proper terms in the following boxes. So first is x plus twice y square. So here A is a x and B is a twice y. So apply the A plus B bracket square formula. So first term square is a x square. 2 multiply by multiplication of both term. So 2 multiply by x is a twice x multiply by twice y means so 4xy plus second term square 4y square. Second, twice x minus 5y bracket square. So first term square is a 4x square minus 20xy plus second term square. So 5 is a 25 and y square as it is. Third, 101 bracket square. So to calculate this we use the binomial formula. Firstly write down it in a two terms 100 plus 1 bracket square. Now here A is a 100 and B is a 1. So take the first term square. 100 square is a 10,000 plus 2 into 100. 200 multiplied by 1 means 200 plus 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1. Now take the addition. 10,201. 10,201. Fourth question, 98 square. 98 square, this calculation is difficult. So convert it into the binomial formula. A minus B means 100 minus 2 bracket square. And apply the formula, then the calculation makes easy. So this is the application of binomial formulas. 100 square is a 10,000 minus 2 into 100 means 200 multiplied by 2 means 400 plus 2 square means 4. Now take the calculation. 10,000 minus 400 means 9,600 plus 4 means 9,604. Fifth question, 5m plus thrice n multiply by in the second bracket 5m minus thrice n means a plus b into a minus b. So here a is a 5m, n is a thrice n. So what is the formula? A square minus b square means first term phi m bracket square minus thrice n bracket square. So phi m square is a 20 phi m square, thrice n square is 9 n square. Very simple. Now see the activity expand x plus a into x plus b. So this expansion is given by two methods. First is a geometrical method and second is a algebraical method. So see the first method. Here the one rectangle is given. The total length of this rectangle is x plus a because it divides in two parts, x and a, and breadth is x plus b because it divides in two parts, so total length is x plus b. So if we calculate the area of this rectangle, then we know that length into breadth, so x plus a into x plus b. Correct? Now see, this rectangle is divided into four parts. So area of this rectangle is equal to sum of the areas of each part. So we will calculate the areas of each part. See the first part. It is a square in shape and we know that the area of square is a side square. So it is a x square plus area of second part. Second part is a rectangle shape. Length is a, breadth is x. So area of second part is a into x, ax. Now see the third part. This is a rectangle in shape. Length is a b and breadth is a x. So area of this third part is b into x. Now see the fourth part. It is also rectangle in shape. The length is a and breadth is b. So area of fourth part is a into b. You can give the numbers also. First is, this is the first, this is the second, third and fourth. So the expression becomes x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus ax plus bx plus a into b. So here ax and bx are the like terms. So take the x common. So is equal to x square plus a plus b in the bracket and take the x common plus a into b. This is the formula. Now see the same expansion by using algebraic method. So these are the binomial terms. We know that x plus a and x plus b are the binomial terms because they contains two terms. 2 means bi. So take the multiplication. X plus a into x plus b is equal to firstly x multiplied by second whole bracket plus a multiplied by second whole bracket. So take the multiplication. X into x is x square, x into b is bx plus a into x is ax plus a into b is ab. So again take the here x common. So equation becomes x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So same formula occurs here. See the solved questions in your textbook. First example is x plus 2 into x plus 3. See here. Here 2 is a and 3 is a b. So apply the formula by using the formula. Common term square means x square plus a plus b into x, 2 plus 3 into x, plus a into b means 2 into 3. So solve this. X square as it is 2 plus 3 is a 5, 5x plus 2 into 3 is a 6. This is the answer. See the second example, y plus 4 into y minus 3 is equal to first term square y square plus 4 plus minus 3. So when the plus and minus occur same time, then we take the minus sign. So 4 minus 3 into y plus 4 multiplied by minus 3. 4 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to y square as it is. 4 minus 3 is a 1. 1 into y is y. So no need to write down the 1 because any number or letter multiplied by 1 is as it is. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 means minus 12. Okay. Now see the third example. Twice a plus thrice b into twice a minus thrice b. We know that the formula a plus b into a minus b. So we can direct apply, but we verify by using this formula. Okay. So twice a, this is the a here or x here, and thrice b is a and b. So twice a x square means twice a square plus a plus b means thrice b plus minus thrice b into twice a plus multiplication of a into b means thrice b into minus thrice b. Now take the calculation. Twice a square is a 4a square plus, I already told you, plus and minus both operations occur same time, then we take the subtraction. So thrice b minus thrice b is equal to 0 into twice a. And thrice b into minus thrice b is a minus 9b square, because 3 3 is a 9 and b into b is a b square, is equal to 4a square plus 0. 0 multiplied by twice a is 0 minus 9b square. So 4a square minus 9b square. So let us move to the practice set 5.1. In that, the first question is a expand. In that, first sub question is a plus 2 into a minus 1. See the question, a plus 2 into a minus 1. So solution here, x is equal to a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. So by using formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay, so by using this formula, apply this formula on this question. So therefore a plus 2 into a minus 1 is equal to a square plus 2 plus minus 1 into a plus a into b means 2 multiplied by minus 1. Okay, so a square as it is plus 2 plus minus 1 means take the subtraction here. 2 minus 1, 1 into a is a, no need to write down the 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So this is the answer. See the second question, m minus 4 into m plus 6. So by using formula, we can write direct answers. M minus 4 into m plus 6 is equal to m square plus minus 4 plus 6 into m plus minus 4 into 6. Therefore, m square as it is, minus 4 plus 6 is equal to plus 2 into m, minus 4 into plus 6 is a minus 24. This is the answer. Now third question, p plus 8 into p minus 3. So write down solution. You can directly write down the formula, otherwise you can directly solve. So p square plus 8 plus minus 3 into p plus 8 into minus 3. Correct? So therefore p square as it is plus 8 plus minus 3 means 8 minus 3 is a 5p minus 8, because here 3 is a minus, so 8 3 is a 24, minus 24. So therefore answer is p square plus 5p minus 24. Fourth question, 13 plus x into 13 minus x. So therefore by applying formula, 13 square plus x plus minus x is minus x into 13 plus positive x multiply by negative x. Correct? So 13 square is 169 plus x minus x is 0 multiply by 13 plus positive x multiply by negative x is negative x square. So 169 as it is plus 0 into 13 is 0. So no need to write down. 169 minus x square. So answer is equal to 169 minus x square. Next, fifth question. Thrice x plus 4y into thrice x plus 5y. So by applying formula, write down the solution. Thrice x square plus addition of both the second terms, 4y plus 5y, thrice x is the common, plus multiplication of both second terms means 4y multiplied by 5y is equal to thrice x square. 3 square is 9, x into x square is x square, plus 4y plus 5y is a 9y into thrice x plus 4y into 5y. So take the multiplication of coefficient first. 4 5s are 20. Y into y, y square is equal to 9x square. Now take the again here multiplication of coefficient. 9 3s are 27. Y into x is xy plus 20y square. So this is the answer. 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square. See the sixth question. 9x minus 5t into 9x plus thrice t. So solution by applying the formula. Write down the answer line. 9x square, first term square, plus take the addition of both second terms, minus 5t plus thrice t into 9x plus multiplication of both second terms means minus 5t into thrice t equal to 9x square. 9 9s are 81x square. Now here minus 5t plus thrice t. So when the one number is negative and one number is positive and operation is the addition, then we take the subtraction and give the sign of greater number. So what is greater here? 5. So give the sign negative. So minus 5 and 3, take the subtraction, is a 2 and t as it is, into 9x. Again here minus 5t into thrice t means one number is negative, so here the sign is negative. So 5 3s are 15, t into t is a t square. 81x square minus 2 into 9 means take the multiplication of coefficient is a minus 18. T into x is a tx minus 15 t square. This is the answer. 81x square minus 18 tx or xt, both are same, 15 t square. See the next question. M plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3. So write down solution by applying the formula. First term square, that is common square, is m. M square plus take the addition 2 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 3 into m plus 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 3. Therefore m square as it is plus 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3, because here we take the subtraction. So here the denominator are same, so we can directly apply the operation on the numerator. So 2 minus 7 is the minus 5 upon 3 into m. Again here the one number is a negative, so take the negative sign here. 2 7s are 14 upon 3 3s are 9. Therefore answer is m square. Now here plus and minus, so take the minus 5 upon 3m minus 14 upon 9. Understood? Next question. X plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. Write down solution by applying the formula. First term square plus take the addition 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x into x plus, now take the multiplication, 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x. Very simple. So x square plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x is 0 into x. Dot means multiplication. You can write the multiplication sign. Plus 1 upon x into 1 upon x. So take the multiplication of numerators. 1 into 1 is 1 and x into x is x square and plus into minus is a minus. Correct? So answer line x square, 0 into x is 0. So no need to write down. So take the minus sign, 1 upon x square. Therefore answer is equal to x square minus 1 upon x square. See the last question, 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9. So write down solution. By applying the formula, first term square, that is common square 1 upon y, bracket square, plus 4 plus minus 9 into 1 upon y, plus multiplication of 4 and minus 9. So 1 upon y square is 1 square is 1 upon y square. Here 4 plus minus 9 means 9 is the greater, so give the sign of greater number, and when the plus minus is occur, then we take the subtraction. So 9 minus 4 is a 5. 1 upon y. Again the one number is negative, so multiplication is negative. So 9 4s are 36. So write down answer line. 1 upon y square minus 5 into 1 is 5. 5 upon y minus 36. This is the answer. So the practice set 5.1 is over. Thank you.